So we're back with the MOGAS iRSVP. Now what we're going to talk about today is what the markings on the valve body mean and where you can find your identification data for your valve. This is an iRSVP UC 1500 pound class. If you see the square body type, those will be the 1500 pound class valves. This is a 0.63 bore. On the front, you have your scribe lines showing your calibration alignments. You have your HP for your upstream, your LP for your downstream. This red tag is going to come on every MOGAS valve, and what it shows you is your serial number and your stock item number for this valve. On the top of the hand lever, you have the rotational direction. Every MOGAS valve is clockwise to close, counterclockwise to open. In open, you're going to be parallel with your pipe. You have the lockout tagout feature that the padlock goes through the top of the valve body, so it's a very solid lockout tagout. We're going to flip the valve around. On the back, you have the actual serial number for the valve. So if this tag is missing, you have it hard here. It's up off the valve body so you can see it. You have HP and LP reiterated on the bottom. On the side, you have the data plate. These are color-coded. A105 is blue, red is F22, black is F91, and all of your valve data is on this tag.